Going through. He's got it. He's had a shot.
We acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
They've played it short. So it's going to be another corner. Greenwood absolutely focused then on the defensive side of his game. You have to admire commitment like that, because he could easily ignore that and just kind of walk around and let it. Bruno Fernandes! And they've been caught out here. He's left his man. That intervention was very necessary. Sancho. Christensen drives it forward. Xhaka tries lifting it over. Sancho gets up to head it. Pogba. Bruno Fernandes. Beckham. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Christensen very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. It's goals! Alex Telles. And it's Rashford. Bruno Fernandes. And here's Cavani. Oh, he did, which pretty much dictated the pass. Pogba. Keeper's got good distance on that. Greenwood. Alex Telles. And here's Rashford. Pogba. He's come in hard. Oh, good big chance! Bruno Fernandes. And the first half is done, so neither team has broken through.